Hello, I am Liberty Barnedo, and today I'm gonna teach you the basic grip of badminton. Forehand grip. The forehand grip is the standard grip used for hitting shots on the dominant side of your body, where your palm faces forward. Position the racket with strings facing forward. Create a V with your thumb and index finger on the handle. Thumb rest on the back bevel. Fingers wrap around the handle with relaxed pressure. Grip should be firm but not tight. How to use: forehand clear. Step forward, rotate, and snap your wrist to send the shuttle high. Forehand smash. Rotate, swing forward, and flick your wrist for power. Forehand drive. Keep the racket flat using forearm speed. Forehand drop shot. Use a soft touch with minimal wrist movement. Backhand grip. The backhand grip is used for hitting shots on the non-dominant side of your body, where your palm faces away from the racket. Grip like a handshake with the racket. Place your thumb on the back of the handle. Wrap fingers loosely around the front. Ensure racket face is perpendicular to the floor. How to use: backhand clear. Rotate, keep elbow high, extend racket and snap wrist. Backhand smash. Swing upwards using wrist and forearm power. Backhand drive. Hit flat with forearm speed. Backhand drop shot. Use a soft grip to drop the shuttle over the net.